How to use Razer Kishi with Project xCloud, Android Central. The Razer Kishi basically turns your phone into a Nintendo Switch with its easily attachable controller ends. With proper buttons, joysticks, and triggers, you can leave the touchscreen behind and take advantage of AAA game releases through streaming services like Project xCloud. Getting the Kishi to work with Project xCloud is straightforward. But if you're not already signed up for the service, you'll have to follow the steps below to take advantage of it. As an invite-only preview beta, Project xCloud requires you to jump through some hoops to get access. So before starting that process, make sure you have what you need to take full advantage first. A compatible smartphone running Android version 6.0 or greater, with Bluetooth version 4.0 plus enabled. Most Kishi-compatible phones will certainly have these. But it doesn't hurt to check your phone settings. A high-speed internet connection or mobile data plan. Microsoft suggests either 5 GHz Wi-Fi or 10 megabits per second data speeds and up. The waiting period varies from person to person, and can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of months. You can also use the Razer Kishi to play games you already own via your Xbox One, should you so desire. Once you're signed up with Project xCloud, you'll find that pairing Kishi with the streaming platform should be more or less instantaneous. Razer designed its controller to be compatible with both Xbox game streaming and Project xCloud. Pull out the left half of the Kishi so your phone can slot inside of it. A blue light indicator should turn on if you've successfully inserted your phone. You can use a variety of Bluetooth-enabled controllers for Project xCloud. But the fact is that Bluetooth connectivity inevitably generates latency, which a wired USB-C connection eliminates for more responsive controls. Plus, as the Kishi runs on your phone's battery, you'll never need to charge your controller separately or burn through dozens of AA batteries. Add in its universal design for most Android phones, turning all of them into a mobile console. And it's easy to see why Razer Kishi is an excellent choice for Project xCloud and other streaming-based services. Kishi enables a wider group of Android gamers than ever before to access Microsoft's excellent games streaming service. Its ergonomic design, easy attachment process, and no latency connection makes it a great choice for hardcore gaming on the go. Project xCloud has 50 excellent titles for free. But it doesn't match the sheer quantity of Game Pass Ultimate's 200-plus titles. If you're still waiting for your xCloud invitation, or just want a wider option of games to stream and play with Kishi, Ultimate is an obvious purchase. Are you ready to have some fun with your new Samsung Galaxy phone and get some serious gaming done? Before you can, you'll likely want to get an awesome controller to pair up and make the most out of the experience. Whether you've got the original model, the Slim or the Pro. If you travel with your PS4, these are the accessories to get. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.